Hello, welcome to Tenorshare channel. This video is about how to fix iPod boot issues with re-iBoot, like this, and this. Let's get started. The latest version is available on tenorshare.com. Go to the Repair Operating System section. Then tap Fix Now. This standard repair will preserve the contents for you. Now follow the instructions to put your iPod into recovery mode. Then tap Download to get the firmware. If downloaded already, re-iBoot will detect it directly. Tap Repair Now to proceed. Keep your iPod connected and have a cup of tea. To save your time, let's fast forward. Well done. Now wait for the device to boot up. This is how re-iBoot fixes iPod boot issues. To download, check out the link in the description below. For more tutorials, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel. Tenorshare. Better software, better life.